everybody, it's Joy from your AI Wizards. And yesterday we did something fun and I wanted to share it with you guys because it was kind of crazy on how I'm using ChatGPT for my personal life. For those of you who don't know, we live in a loft and we renovate it, and we're renovating our living room to make it a theater room. So, yesterday we were out shopping for TVs, and it has been a minute since I've bought a TV. So I didn't know all the high tech stuff around it. So we were talking about looking at two different TVs. We want to get an OLED. So as we were looking at the description, it had OLED B4 and C4. And I didn't know what that meant. So I asked ChatGPT on my phone and I said, what's the difference between a C4 and a B4 in an OLED TV model? We're getting a 77-inch. So it went on to explain the differences between the two. C4 is a higher tier model, B4 is a mid tier model. And then it talked about the brightness and display and usage. And then it gave me a recommendation on which one I should choose. Okay, great. So we kind of narrowed it down in terms of what we wanted. Well, then we came home after we were shopping for TVs and we were talking about it. And I said, um, you know, should we wait for next year's models to come out? Should we just finish the room and then not buy a TV until the new models come out and they go on sale and all the things? So I said, let's ask ChatGPT and give us a recommendation. So I put in my prompt is we are considering a 77-inch OLED TV and our room size is about 400 square feet. Our couch will be 12 feet from the TV. Should we wait to buy the new series or is a 77-inch OLED sufficient for our viewing habits? We are sports enthusiasts and watch basketball and football on a regular basis as a viewing option. Do you see how detailed my prompt was? How far our couch was going to be from the TV, what we watch on TV? And so the response was a 77-inch OLED TV is an excellent choice for a 12-foot viewing distance in a 400 square foot room, especially for sports enthusiasts. Here's why. Viewing distance and screen size compatibility. OLED benefits for sports watching. Should you wait for the new 2025 models? Pros of waiting, reasons to buy now. Best 77-inch OLED for sports 2024. And then the final recommendation. And the final recommendation was if OLED brightness in a well lit room is concerned, waiting for the LG C5 G5 might be worthwhile. However, if you're ready to upgrade now, a 77-inch OLED will provide an outstanding sports experience without waiting. Would you like help finding the best deals on current models? So I went in cold, not knowing what a C4 was, what a B4 was, just put it into ChatGPT on my phone, gave me an explanation. We came home, we were talking about it. Where are we going to put our couch? How far is it from the wall? And then I asked for recommendations. It's a tool to help you with everything. Rick says to me, it's crazy how you talk to that thing. And I said, well, why should I sit and wonder when it's right at my fingertips? So I just wanted to give you a little tip on how I incorporate it through the course of my day because like I haven't bought a TV in a very long time and I've never owned an OLED. So why not ask? Anyways, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon.